Dr. Vijay Bhaskar, orthopedic surgeon, masters. The breakfast in the diabetics is the most important. Either he should have a sufficient nutrition, and then the day activities will not make him suffer, so that throughout till the time of the lunch he should be energetic as well as authentic and active in the during morning time. The breakfast for the diabetes is most important, where the person can have the juices, can have the sugar-free tea, coffee or any beverages, can have a basic like idli or one dosha or one or two pulka, and any other ingredient which is less calorie breakfast. You can have natural green salads, juices, fruits which are less in glucose levels. They can have the sprouts, they can have the boiled groundnut, they can have the other pulses which are boiled, where the energy levels will be maintained according to the calorie input. The diabetics fasting blood sugar levels and the post-lunch blood sugar levels should be maintained in below 110 and below 180. To maintain that blood sugar levels, you should take piecemeal instead of taking bulky food in 3 times. You can have less amount of food for more than 5 times a day. Like early morning at 7 to 8 o'clock, you can have a light breakfast like 2 idli or 1 to 2 pilka with 1 or 2 cups of curry, or 1 dosa, or you can have sprouts, green salads and juices. And after 3 hours at around 11 o'clock, if he feels hungry, he can have a Mary biscuits which sugar-free, and then sugar-free tea, coffee or juice. And then at the time of lunch, he can have a minimal amount of lunch or working lunch, where can have 2 pulka with 2 cups of rice with 100 milligrams of rice with pulka and certain fruits. So likewise, even the dinner also, you should maintain the balanced diet, where the carbohydrate is less, protein is more, and then the fat is equivalent. Apart from that, you should have a good mineralized water or liquid contents, plus a green salads, green vegetables and a milk products, so that he will able to run the day with his energy levels in good standard, as well as can maintain his sugar levels in normal conditions.